we're going to let go of the tow rope here in a second. We're going to climb a little and dive a little, and you're going to feel it in your stomach. There's a tendency to tense your stomach up, and that's what makes it uncomfortable, is the tensing. If you can just relax, it feels kind of cool. There he goes with our rope.
Oh, bye. Look at the guy. Wow. That's awesome. Oh my God. Wow. It's gone.
We're on our own now. We're just like a bird.
Wow.
What do you think, huh?
Wow, it's amazing.
It gets kind of quiet.
It's amazing. Wow, it's incredible. Seriously. Look at all these mountains.
Lots of mountains, huh? So do you guys want to do some roller coaster kind of stuff?
Yes, let's do it. We trust you. Oh my.
Okay. Give me five.
I like him.
You like that? Is that fun?
I love it. That was crazy. I video you screaming. Did you video? Oh my God.
Yeah, I got it all right here.
You got it all too? Awesome.
Yeah. Good stuff. You like that, huh?
I love it. It was something.